In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play with Brazil in FC 26. So let's talk about Brazil. A lot of us thought that the license was going to be there, but from what I have seen, it looks like it got pulled right at the last minute. Now if you go into a classic match and scroll over to international teams, you'll notice something. Brazil isn't there. That's because of licensing issues. So how do you actually play with Brazil? The only method right now is through manual transfers. Here's how it works. Go to settings, then edit teams, then choose club transfers, pick a placeholder club, for example a team from Australia. Let's say I wanna go with Brisbane. I can just select that. That will act as your Brazil. Now you need to move over all Brazilian players from their real clubs into this team. For example, from Real Madrid, transfer Vinicius Jr. and Rodrigo. Move over goalkeepers like Ederson and Alisson. Add defenders like Gabriel and the rest of the Brazilian squad. Keep in mind, doing this will remove those players from their original clubs, so Real Madrid won't have Vinicius anymore once you move him. But here's a way around that. If this is just for a specific event like a custom tournament or a World Cup style mode, you can create that tournament, add your edited Brazil team and then save that setup. After you are done playing, you can go back into profiles or squads and choose reset all squads or downloaded updates. That will restore the original teams back to normal, so clubs like Real Madrid get their players again. Now one more thing, Neymar isn't in the game at all right now, so if you want Neymar on your Brazil squad, you'll have to either wait for the community face scan creators to make him or build him yourself as a created player, and that's the only real way to play as Brazil in FC 26 unless he secures the official license later, possibly around the World Cup. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching, bye bye.